Hello guys, so welcome to another video on Grasshopper and Rhino. So in this video we are going to see how to make this Java facade in Grasshopper. Like this Java facade is it's named as Mira Tower. Like I'm just going to say the conceptual one, not the detailed model. I'm just going to do the conceptual model, like how it can be done. So let's go into the video. So the first command I'm going to use is rectangle. So as I said before, I always use bifocal for your clear understanding. Bifocal gives you a label of every component which I use so that you can see the component name clearly, and if I inactivate it then you can't see it. It will give you a little bit clear understanding about the names at least. And if you have any doubts from the start to the end, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll give you the reply for your doubts, and if you didn't find an answer you can share your doubts in the official Instagram page of our page, which is like Rhino 3D and Grasshopper, and we also have parametric 3D, so you can share your doubts in this two Instagram page. The link is below, please check it. So let's continue with the script. So I'm just giving 30,000 x, okay, and now I'm going to use to divide curve. Where it is, yeah, so it will just divide the curves. By default you can see the count as 10, but I need a count for 24. I'll just give the value 24. So 24 points has been created. Now I'm going to use shatter. The shatter, I'm just connecting the curve and the parameters to the point. Parameters to the parameters. And now I'm just going to use evaluate curve. So in the evaluate curve, I'm just connecting the segment to the curve. Now to the parameter, I'll just connect a value maybe 1.00, so that I can adjust it like 0.98. So you can see the points is being moved. Okay, let it be for now 1 point. Now I just reparameter the curve. Now I'm going to use rotate. Rotate this one, not rotate axis. This I need to rotating a vector around an axis, so I'm just giving the tangent to the vector. Tangent to the vector, and the angle I'm just changing it to degree, and now I'm just giving it to 90. And axis, I just give set one axis. Now I'm just turning the view and using shift and setting the axis like this. That is unit Z. I can click by unit. I can set the axis by pressing unit Z, but I just did it by manually. And now I'm going to use move and amplitude, move command and amplitude. So I'm just connecting the vector to the amplitude and point to the geometry and vector to the motions. So now I need amplitude to be in a construct domain, like it should be as some remap numbers, not a single value, because I just need to I need this point to be moved with like all the points, like not a single point that are in different directions. So I need I'm just going to use remap numbers. I'm just giving the mapped one over here. Now I just create a Graphmapper, and I'm just going to give the graph type as Bezier. And now I'm just connecting to this value. And as I said before, I'm going to construct a domain. Construct domain. This is construct domain. So I'm just using construct domain over here. Now I'm just giving this value over here, and let the value maybe 2000 something. Let's give it. So you can see the points is being moved. So if I use a normal move command, I mean normal move with any axis, all the point, that is all the four-sided point will go in different direction. But you can see it is like kind of an offsetting. The point has been offsetting. So this is what I need. So you can see this 4 points goes this way. So therefore, but I need the point to be come outward. So I just use negative. Okay, let's give it a yeah, it's working. Not bad. Okay, so the when negative is given, let's add some remapping. I'm just dragging this down. Okay. Okay, so I'm just changing that. Okay, yeah. I want this L shape, so this L shape. So when you see the image, like you can see it has been rotated like this. So what I'm going to do is simple. I just create a point and I just create the L shape. So I'm just going to drag a line over here, like line here. So I'm just going to connect a base line. So I just need this point as a reference. That's why I just created this. So you can see the move point, like this point comes in the move. So now I'm going to use so as I said before, I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point, but you can see I can select from this command I can select this point, but I need the corner point and this point, not this one. I don't want this point. I want this set of points, and it should be connected like this. So further I'm going to use insert items. Yeah, so insert item, I'm just going to join the geometry over here. So I'm just going to drag the value for list from the evaluate curve. Sorry, from the divide curve. I'm just a little bit confused. Yeah. So between the evaluate and the divide curve, it's like I used to do this. Okay. So you can see I'm just taking the list. So you can see the divide curve point is been done. So I'm just using this. Now I'm just going to give a series. So now it's asking for the value count. So I'll give the count as 24. Okay. So you can see the point is being selected. Maybe I can hide everything else which I don't need. Okay. So you can see the points is being selected. Okay, this is what we need. So I'm just going to use Polyline. Polyline, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the vertex. Oh, no. Well, the line has been joined. That's not bad, but in a wrong way. Maybe. Okay, so I think so. Wait, I just found this. So these are the above point, and these are the inter point, and series gives the corner point. Okay, but okay, let's give the formula expression over here. X plus 1 shift plus 1. Okay, I got it. So I just give the expression of x plus 1. So the line is being, I want the line in this way. I mean the line to be joined in this way. So this is perfect. So I just hide this, which I don't need, and I just hide this, the point I don't need. Okay. No, I just keep it so that if I do any mistakes, it will show me. Okay. Now the polyline has been done. But like you can see in the image, it is been twisted. So we got the page. Like just imagine this is the window and this is one side, so it must be twisted. Okay. So what can we do is like I just go here. I just create another Graphmapper for parametric, like not the value. I'll just create another domain like shift list. So I just give the another shift list because I need to rotate. In previous video, when you see in the map, the tower which was done by big architect, we did everything like we created everything in the floor, then we raised it up. The same way we are going to do it here. So what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to connect it over here, and now I'm going to give a value of series of maybe I'm just using Graphmapper again. So let's give it to shift, and now I'm going to use series, and now I'm just giving the number to the start count. And for the Graphmapper we need a range. I'll just give a range, and steps maybe I can give an expression x minus 1. So you can see the integer has been set. I'll just give the Graphmapper, and now I just want the graph type to be sine. Okay. On the domain I'll just give the same 24. Okay. Now let me do it. Okay. So you can see the different lines has been created. So the rotation has been created from this point has been moved. So when I make like, wait, I'll just show you the panel. Show the output. So you can see like 9 number of frames has been created. So when I raise it above and create a form, then it gives you the structure. So that's what we are going to do. So maybe I can create some more. Okay. Okay. So let's go into the polyline. Wait a sec. I select 0.2. Instead of here, I just give this over here. So now I don't need this point. So maybe let it be there. So what is going to bother me? Okay. So now from polyline, I'm going to use orient. So from polyline, I'm just giving the geometry of orient. Then I'm going to use linear array. Yeah. So from the linear array, I'm just going to give target, and now I'm just going to give the geometry as like it need a reference. Okay, so I'm just giving XY plane, and the direction is obvious unit Z. So unit Z, and from unit Z I need some value. Maybe I can give 3000. So, and for the count the same 24, but I don't want to drag the number from here. It will a little bit confuse the script. I just give it here 24. So don't change this count. This is standard overall. So you can see So now account has been created. The lines have been created. Now what I'm going to do is extrude. So before doing the extrude, I'm just going to do one thing. So you can see here zero length statement. Like a lot of error has been created. So I'm just going to flatten this. So you can see lines is being created. Now I'm just going to use extrude. Direction is unit Z obvious, and value is okay. Instead of here, I'll just give this connector over here. So you can see the differentiation has been created. Now let's edit a little bit. Okay. Okay. Wait a sec. Okay, so in this polyline, you can see there is an opening. So just set boolean to true, and it's closed down. That's all, because I could see some gap was there, so that's why I was searching for the command. Oh, okay. So I'll just raise the building a little bit up. So it's up to you. If you want, you can raise it, and if you want, you can raise it a little bit up. And this is the building value, the randomization value. So you can change the randomization according to it. So right here, maybe I just show you the bake option. I'll just bake it and show. Bake it. Okay, yes please. Yeah, I just change it to shape. So you can see the movement of the shape. So if you want in detail, so this is the concept. So if you want the same, so we can do it in detail. So maybe if you want the detail model, the detail with the window one, say it in the comment section. I will do it for you. And if you don't have any doubt, if you have any doubts, ask in the comment section. And I would have not explained like many components in between, because like when I explain in every bit of component, then the video will drag, so it will be a little bit so it can't be seen in one video. So every component has it can be used in different ways, like it depends on their creativity and their comfort. Because I use the command in different way, and my friend who's damn good at the same Grasshopper, he used the same command in different way. So it's like until you practice and until you know what you want that command to do, so it's up to you. And like I can teach you the basic components, and if you want the basic components explanation video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Share it to your friends if they need this tutorial to be seen. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get a clear idea of Grasshopper. And we are also posting some updates on Instagram, so check the link. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.